Alright, we're going to go over patching the curtain. This is a pretty typical cut from the load, falling against the curtain type of thing. First thing we want to do is patch with the same color material on the back side of the curtain to seal it up, keep it watertight. And anytime we have a cut in a webbing or a buckle maybe ripped out, that webbing needs to be replaced. That's the structure of the curtain. It's, it needs to be put back over, so we'll go over that. Have a pre-cut patch already. We'll round the corners off just to keep it from ever peeling up as easy. So you want to be 1.5 inches, 2 inches wider than your cut. Take our heat gun, put a little tack on it to hold it in place for you. So now it's not going to move. And we want to start over the cut, exactly where the cut is, because you want both of these edges sealed down. So we're going to go right down the middle. The roller is at the same angle as the tip of the gun. Make sure and give it time. Let it get hot. Go all the way down. You want that good amount of smoke coming out that's telling you it's welding. Go down and get the sides now. Same angle as the tip of the gun. You don't want to be at an angle. You want to be the same angle. Again, start right on the cut. You do this on a curtain hanging on a trailer, you're probably going to need a second person to hold a board up for you, so you have something solid to press against with this roller. Otherwise it's going to get hot and push the curtain out and deform it. And now I need to replace this cut webbing. And that's it. That's a good, solid, watertight repair. And you got your structure back on your curtain.